ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
خمسون
50.
50.
في المسبح.
In the swimming pool.
In the swimming pool.
الجو حار اليوم.
It is hot today.
It is hot today.
هل نذهب إلى المسبح؟
Shall we go to the swimming pool?
Shall we go to the swimming pool?
هل ترغب في الذهاب للسباحة؟
Do you feel like swimming?
Do you feel like swimming?
هل معك منشفة؟
Do you have a towel?
Do you have a towel?
هل معك مايو رجالي؟
Do you have swimming trunks?
Do you have swimming trunks?
هل معك مايو حريمي؟
Do you have a bathing suit?
Do you have a bathing suit?
هل تستطيع السباحة؟
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
هل تستطيع الغطس؟
Can you dive?
Can you dive?
هل تستطيع القفز في الماء؟
Can you jump in the water?
Can you jump in the water?
أين الدوش؟
Where is the shower?
Where is the shower?
أين كابينة تغيير الملابس؟
Where is the changing room?
Where is the changing room?
أين نظارة السباحة؟
Where are the swimming goggles?
Where are the swimming goggles?
هل الماء عميق؟
Is the water deep?
Is the water deep?
هل الماء نظيف؟
Is the water clean?
Is the water clean?
هل الماء دافئ؟
Is the water warm?
Is the water warm?
أنا بردان.
I am freezing.
I am freezing.
الماء بارد جدا.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
سأخرج الآن من الماء.
I am getting out of the water now.
I am getting out of the water now.